Hi there, lovely people. Good evening from Dhaka, Bangladesh. I'll be reviewing a fragrance from House of Jean Paul Gaultier and their Scandal line. I actually completed the whole line. I'll leave a link below. Please check out my other Scandal reviews. Some people say I do not review so many women's perfumes because they do not really search. Please do search with women's perfume, Joyamin, or any fragrance name followed by Joyamin search. If I reviewed it, it will show. I did review a lot of women's perfumes, especially on designer side. Jean Paul Gaultier is my favorite house, even Versace, sometimes Dolce & Gabbana. This house is Hugo Boss. I did review many women's perfumes. So today we're going to be looking at, I think, perhaps the last one from the line that I didn't cover. It's called Jean Paul Gaultier Scandal by Night. I did review So Scandal, the original, which I own. I love Scandal a lot. The bottle presentation is just out of this world, okay? And I also think a Paris, okay, the new one. So they have the EDT version. I don't know if I reviewed it, but if I find it, I'll review. So this one comes in a tin can, if you know Jean Paul Gaultier presentation like La Male, or this one, or even the La Belle. Okay, I love that La Belle perfume a lot. These bottles are just something that you really want, okay? So I did try a lot of these houses perfumes and I really am big fan because of the sweetness. I love sweet perfume. So it does have this kind of tin can. It has a velvety texture outside. If you have a sticker, I mean the plastic, it will have a picture here, but if you unfortunately tear it, then you have to throw away that one. So I like usually keeping that plastic on top. So this one opens from bottom. You find the sticker. In Bangladesh these are like $120 retail. If you want to find it discounted, I think it will be still around $70-80. So 80 ml bottle size. This is the big one. They have a smaller bottle size or a couple of smaller bottle sizes, but if you get a bigger bottle, it's more value. Okay, these are always pain in the ass to open. I'm sorry. If you open, I just want to show you how it looks like. This is the podium where the bottle stays, and they give this kind of like a paper thing just to keep the bottle from stop moving. And not my favorite presentation because it's very difficult to take out sometimes. So bottle basically is the same bottle as Candle, but the juice color is so much darker. Okay, here you go. If you see side by side, you can tell the difference. Okay, in my, at least to my eye, this is a bit more darker. So Scandal by Night. So Night is basically supposed to be darker. They give a dark theme. The legs, the ever so classic presentation. I think this one is similar to what? There's another fragrance, Guerlain, Mon Guerlain. They have the similar sort of presentation. But look at that. From bottom, it looks so nice. Sticker, nice little bottle, heavy glass base, and the cap. It's a. You can even keep the cap if your bottle is finished. You can keep it as a showpiece. You know, it has metal, really nice presentation. It basically is a shoe of lady, beautiful, and they have. I think it says Jean Paul Gaultier on the sprayer. Sprayer is fantastic. I've been wearing this for some time. On my hand, ooh, 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 sexy. Let me show you the sprayer. This one actually thanks to my best friend for her bottle courtesy. Let me show you the sprayer. Just stunning sprayer, beautiful mist, lot of juice comes out. Man, okay. First of all, if you know original, let me just tell you a little bit of the original. Scandal is a sweet perfume, okay? For laymen's or for in general people, if you ask me, what kind of perfume is this? Tell me, I don't care about notes. What does it smell like? It smells like syrupy, sweet, floral. There's a rose perhaps, a lot of fruits. And the fragrance is just syrupy, thick perfume, lasts 10 hours plus, the EDP, okay? So this is very potent. And I think if you want one of the longest lasting perfume for all year round, Armani C, if you love Armani C, this is similar style but better, more modern. So if you also have La Belle, fragrances like those, La Vie Belle, if you like the sweetness of those, this is a perfume you would like. So the nighttime, what does it offer? How is it different? It's a lot more sweeter. It's even sweeter than the EDP, okay? And it does have a dark caramel-like tone. You know, it's like a sweet chocolatey cover on top of the layer of the top of the EDP. So definitely you get that dark sweetness, and it becomes even more darker, sensual, kind of like a gourmand. I think there's vanilla, the base perhaps. Definitely a heavy, thick fragrance with a lot of sweet notes, sugary notes, burnt sugar, or that's something that you like to eat. Okay, so I do like sweet perfumes. Definitely, you guys know my love for sweet perfumes. I would love to wear this on me. One fragrance come to my mind. Imagine for men's counterpart, if you do love the fragrance 1 million Privé, just giving you sweet caramel-like feel from this perfume. I have a massive 200 ml. And you do love, because I have the perfumes within my reach, so why not show you? If you see Stronger With You, this is Intensely. I ordered the new one, absolutely. But if you mix this one with that 1 million Privé, you can definitely tell there's like a heavy similarity between this one and those two. So even men can wear this. If you love sweet perfumes, this is a sweet perfume for sure. And the sweetness doesn't become like so much in the leaning on the florals. So even if there's rose in this, man, it's sexy. It's definitely sexy. It reminds me a little bit of Gold Couture as well. So yes, familiar sweetness. It's definitely, one might argue, if I have EDP, I don't need this. Yes, if you just want one from the line, I would say EDP is the one to get. But A Paris, the So Scandal, Scandal by Night, fantastic perfumes. All of them, if you're a collector, you can collect. Bottle look different from each other, and this fragrance definitely will appeal to you. If you're going to a party, if you want to a little bit get attention, let's say in the subcontinent you're wearing sari, like shari or sari, it will go perfectly with it. It's like, I would imagine a beautiful lady in the, like back in the time, I used to watch Bollywood films like Rekha, or those like those song like Pia Tua Tuaja, those Indian brothers would know. If you know like a ball or a dance party where like a beautiful dancer is dancing with a cocktail dress or something like it, and she's gonna smell like this, okay? So or Zinat Aman, what's the song called? Uh, the popular song, I always forget. She's singing with the guitar. Hold on, let me remember the song. Yeah, the song I just immediately remember. चुरा लिया है तुमने, चुरा लिया है तुमने जो दिल को. Yes, that's the movie it reminds me of. So diva-like perfume, sweet perfume, strong perfume, lasts a long time. No less loved than my original EDP. So again, this is getting a 10 out of 10, as good as the EDP, but this one has a little bit of dark, more caramelized praline sort of a sweetness to it. Okay, so this hint of darkness on top of the EDP. Thanks for watching, and I think time to call it a night. I'll see you soon. Bye bye.